Hey everyone, welcome back to ARKA 360's training series. Today I'm going to show you a really cool feature that I personally, as a former door-to-door sales rep, really like. This is a feature that is going to cut out a lot of fluff in your pipelines, and it's going to have a lot of your organizational tools be set in place so that now you don't have to worry about who's looking at what, who can see what, and where things are. So inside of our CRM, which you guys are familiar with, we have this drop down right here. Now, what this dropdown shows is the different sales pipelines that we have active in your account. Now, this is great because you can have set up for roofing jobs. You can have specific sales reps jobs. You can have different dealers jobs if it's something that you have. You can set this up to be any way you want, from electrical to structural to permitting to back end to financing. You can create these different pipelines in your account, and it's super easy to do. We see here, we click this gear button and it says pipelines. Now here you can create any pipeline you want very easily. It says add new pipeline. You can change the name, the organization of these, stages, statuses, different things like this to really help your sales reps stay organized and get jobs done all the way through. Now you don't have to worry anymore about where is this sitting, where is that sitting, my pipeline's getting crazy, I don't know how to manage all these things. Now they're easy to see so that you can have jobs that are clean and easy go right through, and jobs that require a little bit more hands-on to have their own pipeline. If you have any questions or want to see how this tool can help your team and your company, click the link below and we can schedule a one-on-one demo. Thank you so much.